Where are we going, babe?
Time for dinner. We stopped at the casino bar to have a drink before dinner, and our lunch is it's our last time on this cruise, so we're living it up.
I'm taking advantage of every free thing I can get. No, I'm just kidding.
That's the good.
Yeah, I am.
All right, we're going to dinner.
See you at dinner. I'll bring you that menu right about. Regular salad, Jack got Caesar salad. My first appetizer and second appetizer, minestrone
Third and
soup.
fourth appetizer.
Terry got a burger, shocker. Jack got the fish. And I got the chicken parm.
Extra sauce power.
A lemon curd. I got a lemon curd.
You got lemon.
Jack got chocolate ice cream. Look at that. Jerwin knows how to make a chocolate martini. When you come here on the Enchantment, come see Jerwin. And Michael, but he's not here right now.
I fired him.
He fired him again.
Yeah, I fired him.
Fired him twice today.
I kicked in the ball. Get out in the ball.
He's hurting somewhere. He's hurting.
Or good evening again. This time it's for real.
We're still at the casino. We've
We
been
are.
here since after dinner.
And I'm and she's won 35,000 pennies. But hey,
$50.
that's still pretty good for her. Right? Did my math right? Yeah, my math is right.
We've been down here a long time.
We have. She's gonna go to bed. I'm gonna keep playing. So.
But we're closing it out.
Yep.
Wonderful cruise and a wonderful day.
Yep, we had a great cruise.
And we're gonna have a
So good. Anyway,
pretty.
it is. I showed him to her.
Yeah, he's got a Bucky shirt on.
Not yet. I got my lucky shirt on.
He says Bucky, Lucky Bucky.
Yep. I was doing good too. But anyway, so still ahead. Not by much, but But anyway, all right. Next one up is the Carnival Vista on the 26th or 29th?
Yeah,
26th. I'm going. So anyway, so we'll see you there on the Vista.
Cheers. Party
Cheers.
cruising.
All right. Peace out. Bye.